What's up, YouTube? This is Freaks Ritual. It's been a while. Haven't done any reviews in a while. It's been like over 2 months. But anyways, I got a new light over here. This is the Sofirn Q8. Alright. Here's your typical box. This regular box. Alright. Just so you know, it's a budget light, so you ain't gonna get the greatest box. Alright, here we go. Get your light. Get your manual. Get your spare O-rings and rubber boot, switch boot. Get your happy, not happy card, and this is where you could contact them. So there you go. I do recommend joining their Facebook page. You could get codes and other stuff and giveaways and all types of things. Alright, I purchased mine off Amazon, so I will leave links in the description. Alright, let's take a look at the manual. This is a null cell firmware driver. I think that's how you say it. You can program it any way you want. So if you want to pause this, if you want to pause that, go ahead. I haven't learned how to mess with it yet, so I just leave it in the ramping setting. And you could program it to like thermal protection, step down or whatever, so you don't destroy your light. It's highly recommended to use button tap cells. I have unprotected cells in mine, but it's really recommended to use button taps, protected cells. Alright, so there you go. Just so you know, it's IPX8, of course, 550 plus meter, 50,000 candela plus, that's what it says. So it's probably a little more than 50,000 candela. This thing is a beast. It's running 4 xplhi LEDs. I thought the Thorfire BLF version has domes. These are D-domed, so you might get more throw. And then the other version will get more flood. So this is an in-betweener. You get this little hole right here. You can mount this to a tripod. It does tarot stand. It takes 4 18650s, but really use protected cells. I watch my lights, so but eventually I'm gonna get protected cells for mine just to be safe. Alright. And I'll show you what this looks like. It does come lubed. Got a nice knurling on it, so it's very grippy. Got your Q8. That's what that looks like. Let me see if I could show you this. Inside. That's what the inside looks like. I'm gonna put these batteries back in. I'm just gonna show you the ramping UI. Like I said, it does come lubed, but sometimes you gotta put your own lube on. Eventually you will, but sometimes you sit so long the lube comes off. Alright, so this light will always be on unless you lock it out. So lockout will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it's locked out. 4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So now it's unlocked. So click. Right now I'm in moonlight. You just hold the button down to ramp all the way up high. Hold it down, ramp all the way low. Alright. It is a cool light. So double tap to your 5,000 lumens. Double tap again to get your strobe. Double tap again. Oh. You get your little flicky. I think there's like bike mode or something. Double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap. You get kind of like a beacon. It's not, I don't think it's a SOS because it takes way too long, so it's a beacon mode. See? It's very slow. That's it. So that's what it looks like. It does tail stand. So that's what it does. Get your xplhi, D-domes. I think I said it all. Well, there you go. I know you guys wanna. Oh, I think this has AR coding, but it's sometimes it's just light because I can't see it. Smooth reflector. So you got your heat fins for the heat. It does get pretty hot, but I was gonna say something but I forgot. If I remember, I'll put it down, I'll write it. Alright guys, I'm gonna take this bad boy outside and we're gonna see what it could do. And I do recommend this light. It's budget friendly. If you want a very powerful light, this is the way to go. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. The other day I tried making this video, but it was too bright outside. It's a lot darker, so you'll be able to see the difference. I'm out here with the Sofirn Q8. So those of you that seen the other video, you'll be able to see the difference. And whoever didn't see it, I might put a link in the description so you could compare how bright it was the other day. I had to wait. Yesterday was too cold, but anyways, here we go. This is moonlight, and just so you guys know, it's 5,000 lumens, and there's no bad PWM. I'm just ramping it up. Oh, I had a focus. I'm just gonna put it in turbo. Look at that. Look at that beam. I think it goes 550 plus meters. There we go. This is probably like 30 lumens maybe. Or 100. Yeah, probably like 100 lumens. I'm just rounding it off. 150 maybe. This is probably like 500 lumens. Probably like 1,000. Maybe more. 5,000. Just so you guys know, I do recommend this. And it's the LEDs are xplhi LEDs. I think the other version of the Q8 has domed, so this one's gonna have more throw. Look at that, it all looks like ice. Let me ramp it down, up. I'm gonna strobe it. Alright. Wow, it's like ice. I guess I'm gonna keep that on the camera. I'm bleeding. Hold on. Yeah, this is a keeper. I knew that was gonna happen. Yeah, you guys are gonna laugh. Busted my ass. Alright, let's try this again, turbo. That's where I fell. Let's go look at it. Right there. That's where I fell. Alright, I'm gonna bring it up again. Thank God it wasn't hard. My elbow dropped, saved me. Alright. There's that. And remember guys, get protected cells. It's a lot safer to use this light. My cells are completely charged, so I could run it for a little bit. Not long though, because it's not safe, I don't think. Just like that ice that just made me fall. But this has some really good distance. Alright guys. Hope you guys like my beam shot footage of the Sofirn Q8. And I hope you guys enjoyed my little fall. Peace.